Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. Nigeria is the most populated African country with over 230 million individuals. 151 million of this total population are young people with vision. As at 2023, in the same country, we have 148 private universities, 52 federal universities, and 61 state universities. I know you'll be wondering, since you have 36 states in Nigeria, how come we're having 61 state universities in the same country? Watch till the end to find out. So in this video, I'll be showing you the different state universities we have in Nigeria, their picture representation, their location, their founder, the year of establishment, the motto, and even the location of these universities, so that you have an idea of what a state university really look like in a country like Nigeria, a giant of Africa. Abia State University, Uturu, founded by Sam Bakwe in the year 1981, located at Uturu Isukwato local government area of Abia State. Excellence and service is the university motto. Adamawa State University, Mubi, founded by Modibo Adama in the year 2002, located at Mubi in the Northern Senatorial District of Adamawa State, Nigeria. Education for development is the university motto. Adekunle Ajashin University, Akungba, founded by Mike Adekunle Ajashin in the year 1999, located at Akungba, Akoko, Ondo State. For learning and service is the university motto. Akwa Ibom State University of Technology, founded by architect Obon Victor Atta in the year 2010, located at certain parts of Akwa Ibom. Knowledge and technology for development is the university motto. Ambris Ali University, Ekpoma, founded by Ambrose Founsho Ali in the year 1980, located at Ekpoma, Edo State. Knowledge for advancement is the university motto. Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu University, founded by Chief Odumegwu Ojukwu in the year 2000, located at Uli, Anambra State. Education and development is the university motto. Bauchi State University, Gadao, founded by Bauchi State Government in the year 2011, located at Bauchi State. Knowledge is the foundation of progress is the university motto. Benue State University, Makurdi, founded by Moses Osho Adasu in the year 1992, located at Wanokam, Makurdi, Benue State. Knowledge for the liberation of people is the university motto. Abia State University, Damaturu, founded by Alhaji Baka Abba Ibrahim in the year 2006, located at Damaturu, Yobe State. Motto: knowledge is light. Cross River State University of Science and Technology, Calabar, founded by Prof. Augustine O in the year 2004, located at Ekpo Abasi Street, Calabar, Cross River State. Technology for human development is the university motto. Delta State University, Abraka, founded by Felix Ibro in the year 1992, located at Abraka, Delta State. Knowledge, character and service is the university motto. Ebonyi State University, Abakaliki, founded by Dr. Sam Ominyi Egu in the year 1999, located at Abraka Road, Ebonyi State. Development and excellence is the university motto. Ekiti State University, founded by Chief Michael Adekunle Ajashin in the year 1982, located at Ado Ekiti, Ekiti State. Knowledge, honor and service is the university motto. Enugu State University of Science and Technology, Enugu, founded by Chief Dr. Jim Ifeanyi Chukwuobodo in the year 1982, located at Abani, Enugu State. Technology for service is the university motto. Gombe State University, founded by Governor Mohammed Danjuma in the year 2004, located at Tadunwada in Shamaki Ward, Gombe State. First among equals is the university motto. Ibrahim Badmus Babangida University, founded by General Ibrahim Babangida in the year 2005, located at Lapa, Niger State. Learn for service is the university motto. Ignatius Ajuru University of Education, also known as Rivers State College of Education, founded by the Rivers State Government in the year 2010, located at Port Harcourt, Rivers State. Excellence, integrity and service is the university motto. Imo State University, Owerri, founded by Chief Sam Mbakwe in the year 1992, located at Owerri, Imo State. Excellence in service is the university motto. Sule Lamido University, Jigawa, founded by Prof. Mazali Jibril in the year 2013, located at Kafin, outside Jigawa State. Kaduna State University, founded by Kaduna State Government in the year 2004, located at Kaduna State. Knowledge for development and unity is the university motto. Kano State University of Science and Technology, founded by Rabi Ukwankwaso in the year 2000, located at Woodale, Kano State. Learn, work and worship is the university motto. Kebbi State University, founded by Kebbi State Government in the year 2008, located at Aliero, Kebbi State. Knowledge for reliance is the university motto. Kwara State University, Ilorin, founded by Dr. Bukola Sariki in the year 2009, located at Ilorin, Kwara State. Service and integrity is the university motto. Ladoke Akintola University of Technology, Ogbomosho, founded by Governor Adetunji Olorin in the year 1990, located at Ogbomosho, Oyo State. Excellence, integrity and service is the university motto. Ondo State University of Science and Technology, Okitipupa, founded by Dr. Olusegun Agagu in the year 2008, located at Okitipupa, Ondo State. Society and Development is the university motto. Rivers State University of Science and Technology, founded by the Rivers State government in the year 1979, located at Diowi, Port Harcourt, Rivers State. Excellence and creativity is the university motto. universityAnambra University, founded by universityAnambra in the year 1982, located at Ogun State. The flowering of human abilities and service is the university motto. Lagos State University, Ojo, founded by late Lateef Kayode Jakande in the year 1983, located at Ojo, Lagos State. For truth and service is the university motto. Niger Delta University, Yenegoa, founded by Chief DSP Alamieye in the year 2000, located at Wilberforce Island, Yenegoa. Creativity and excellence is the university motto. Nasarawa State University, founded by Dr. Abdullahi Adamu in the year 2002, located at Kafi, Nasarawa State. Knowledge for development is the university motto. Plateau State University, founded by Joshua Dariye in the year 2005, located at Bokos, Plateau State. Knowledge, diligence and integrity is the university motto. Tai University of Education, Ijebode, founded by Otumba Benga Daniels in the year 2005, located at Ijebode, Ogun State. Integrity and selflessness is the university motto. Umaru Musa Yar'Adua University, Katsina, founded by the Katsina State government in the year 2006, located at Katsina State. To learn and to serve is the university motto. Osun State University, Osogbo, founded by Prince Ologunseye Oyinola in the year 2006, located at Osogbo, Osun State. Living spring of knowledge and culture is the university motto. Taraba State University, founded by the Taraba State government in the year 2008, located at Jalingo, Taraba State. Harnessing nature's gift is the university motto. Sokoto State University, founded by Ali Wamako in the year 2009, located at Sokoto State. It all begins here is the university motto. Northwest University Kano, founded by Rabiu Kwankwaso in the year 2012, located at Kano State. Knowledge for self-reliance and development is the university motto. Oyo State Technical University Ibadan, founded by the Oyo State government in the year 2012, located at Ibadan, Oyo State. Developing brains and training hands is the university motto. Ondo State University of Medical Sciences, founded by Olusegun Mimiko in the year 2015, located at Laje Road, Ondo State. For learning and community services is the university motto. Edo State University, founded by Adams Oshomole in the year 2016, located at Eyamho, Edo State. Quality education for development is the university motto. Kisilo Zumba Mbadiwe University Oboko, founded by the former governor Rochas Okorocha in the year 2016, located at Oboko, Imo State. To encourage the advancement of learning is the university motto. University of Africa Toruora, Bayelsa State, founded by the Bayelsa State government in the year 2016, located at Toruora, Bayelsa State. Knowledge, diligence and service is the university motto. Borno State University Maiduguri, founded by Kashim Shettima in the year 2016, located at Kano Road, Maiduguri, Borno State. Knowledge has no boundaries, the university motto. Moshood Abiola University of Science and Technology, Abeokuta, founded by Chief Olabisi Onabanjo in the year 2017, located at Abeokuta, Ogun State. Technology for development is the university motto. Gombe State University of Science and Technology, founded by Muhammad Danjuma Goje in the year 2017, located at Kumo, Gombe State. First among equals is the university motto. Zamfara State University, founded by Abdulaziz Yari in the year 2018, located at Zamfara State. Assurance for development is the university motto. Bayelsa Medical University, founded by Honorable Henry Seriake Dixon in the year 2019, located at Yenegoa, Bayelsa State. Confluence University of Science and Technology, Oshara, founded by His Excellency Alhaji Yahaya Bello in the year 2020, located at Osaro Kenelokoja, Kogi State. Towards ensuring rapid development and transformation is the university motto. University of Delta Abo, founded by Sunlike Dalla in the year 2021, located at Abo, Delta State. Knowledge and power is the university motto. Delta State University of Science and Technology, founded by Jami Ibori in the year 2021, located at Isoko North, Delta State. Innovation and creativity is the university motto. Denis Osadebe University Asaba, founded by the Delta State government in the year 2021, located at Bonsak Panther Drive, Asaba. Empowering future generations is the university motto. Kogi State University Ayimba, founded by Prince Abubakar Audu in the year 1999, located at Ayimba, Kogi State. Knowledge for self-reliance is the university motto. University of Science and Technology Ekiti, founded by the Ekiti State government in the year 2020, located at Apatiti, Ekiti State. Technology, innovation and self-reliance is the university motto. Imo State University for Agriculture and Environmental Sciences, founded by His Excellency Hope Uzodimma in the year 2021, located at Umuagwo, Imo State. Knowledge, innovation and excellence is the university motto. Lagos State University of Education was founded by the Lagos State government in the year 2022, located at Oto Ejanikin, Lagos State. For truth and service is the university motto. Shehu Shagari University of Education, founded by the Sokoto State government in the year 2022, located at Sokoto State. Learn, train and empower is the university motto. Enugu State University of Medical and Applied Sciences, Igboeno, founded by Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi in the year 2022, located at Nsukka, Enugu State. Technology for service is the university motto. University of Ilesha, Osun State, founded by an Owa, that's a king, in the year 2022, located at Ilesha, Osun State. To develop graduates for learning and character is the university motto. Emmanuel Alayande University of Education, Oyo State, founded by the Church Missionary Society CMS in the year 2022, located at Elelu area, Oyo State. Knowledge, truth and service is the university motto. Meanwhile, this was later changed from a college of education to a university by the Oyo State government in Dinashe Makinde. Saduturimi University of Education, founded by the Kano State government, located along Zaria Road, Kano State. Discipline, creativity, honesty and integrity is the university motto. Niger State University of Education, Minna, founded by the Niger State government in the year 2023, located at Niger State. Second best is not good is the university motto. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.